Just want to give you a quick brief. My new 2024 Road Glide. I hadn't had it about maybe a month now. There's little upgrades to it. I have recently changed the to a full exhaust chrome work 2-in-1. I put a 511 Screaming Eagle cam in it to keep it under warranty. I did this soon I bought the bike. I didn't take it home yet. I let them do that. I changed the air breather. I also changed out the floorboards, the highway pegs, and the shorty brake arm. Tractor Supply. The rear footboards I changed out. Also added crash bars to the rear and crash bars to the front, which this bike comes with a mustache crash bar in the front, and do not come with no crash bar in the back. I added that. Also upgraded the stereo system. This bike does not come with rear speakers unless you get the package, which I did not elect to take the package. I want to do it on my own. I added the lids. I added 6x9 Hertz speakers. They are not Rockford Fosgate speakers. They are Hertz. I used the Chrome, as well. I used the Fosgate CVO grills. I also used the CVO grills in the front. Changed the front speakers also. They're 6.5 Hertz. I also went with the ST handlebars, the pullbacks, T-bar setup. I changed the bushings, which the bushing comes with rubber bushings. I put metal bushings in there to give you a more firmer ride. Coming down, I changed out the seat, which the stock seat is good, but I changed it out. As you can see, low profile. I put the heat reflectors on there. Also, when I did the stereo, I put the 500 watt amp in there. I took out the 200 watt amp. I put Memphis Shade hand guards on there. Over here, I also did the shifter links, Thrashing Supply. I changed the derby cover out to Thrashing. Like I said, I upgraded them speakers from the 5x7s to 6x9s. I added the lids. I had to purchase the lids because there's no cutout kit for the lids yet. I also put a tour pack on here, a King tour pack. I also put the Harley Davidson luggage rack on there. I went with the custom dynamic license plate cover. Here for a little second. Take some of my ideas, just customize the bike the way you want it. All right, have a blessed day.